What? I'm working on my pantry again? Yes, I am. This is probably the third or fourth time I've shared a system with you, but I really like this one, and I've tested this out, and for the last 3 weeks, my pantry has stayed clean. The before. I really do love these buckets. I got them at Walmart. I love the idea of like taking my baker's box out and all that when I cook, but I can't see what I have, and then I can't see what I'm low on. I'm just not happy with it. I am not striving for perfection, striving for being able to see what I have and what we're low on, and to not overbuy or run out. I shopped at Walmart. I bought 2 of these boxes of the 3-pack of the container sets of the Better Home and Gardens. These are airtight and they have easy to open lids. They do stack on top of each other very well. This pack here, I got 2 of them. It's actually cheaper if you want something like this to buy it in this pack than individually. These came out to be $5 a piece. So I paid $15 for each box, and in the store they were like $8, $7, $6. This one I'm not too sure about. Kind of like a cereal bin where you could grab it here, but it has a very tight lid, again by Better Homes and Gardens, but it also has a scooper up top. So that intrigued me. This is the only container that I'm not sure about. And then I grabbed 2 of these containers here. So this holds 18.6 cups, 3 of the 23.5 cup bins. See how well they stack? It's great. And then I grabbed this 11.5 cup container. And then these, I love these containers right here. This makes the best garbage pail. And I fell in love with it, so I grabbed 2 because this fits our big packages like from Costco and Sam's Club of cereal. And then these like jars are from Target. My mother-in-law has these in her pantry and she puts her nuts in them, and I really like how they look, and so we're gonna play with that. And then from Bed Bath & Beyond, I got these 9-inch turntables. And I'm gonna see if I could still utilize the bins that I have in my pantry as well. Some of these I might keep, some of these I might give back, but I do have a list I kept on my phone of all the things that I would like in containers like these. So I already know what I'm dealing with the food that we have. I have filled a lot of the containers, and these are the things that need to go in more containers. And I'm still trying to figure out the system here. Here is the after. The only big change is this middle shelf. But like I said, 3 weeks have gone by and no drooping, and that is huge for us. I kept these bins here. So this is still the bread basket. This is the like chip bin. This is the overflow snack bin. That way there is no important ingredients for meals that are gonna get wasted. And then this is like syrups, oils, peanut butter, honey, protein powder drinks, stuff like that. So here is the shelf here. Obviously, I went and picked up more bins. Over here we have the Ritz crackers. Cereal bins, those have been awesome. It could fit 2 boxes of cereal. Score! Here are what I'm calling the bagel boxes. They stack beautifully on each other, you guys. So this one has fig bars, and it did have Pop-Tarts, but of course the kids have gone through those very quickly. This is granola bars, and any protein bars go in here. This is my overflow of tea, and to make more space I put all my teas in baggies and rip the box and put them in the baggies with the tea bag so I know what's in it. So I have a ton of different teas in here. All of Paige's doggy treats, the Carnation instant breakfast packets, microwave popcorn, ramen. My kids love ramen. And then cashew packets, nut packets that I usually have in my purse. So this is the only different container. I was going to bring it back, but I was like, whatever. So I put the goldfish crackers in. This fits a whole bag of Costco goldfish if you buy the big box of it. So 1 bag fits in here. Jasmine rice, and then I took the instructions and also put them in. And I will eventually label these. I don't want to be too perfect to wait to put a video up. Let's not be perfectionists. So eventually the labels will be coming on. Chocolate chips. I have lemonade powder, like Country Time lemonade. Here I have plain breadcrumbs. I have orzo. I have ditalini pasta that I use in chopped salads. Oh no, that's panko, not breadcrumbs. That's panko. This is regular breadcrumbs. This is Italian breadcrumbs. This is brown sugar, quinoa, and I have the instructions in here. Rice, quick cooking oats. This is chia seeds that I put in my protein shakes with peanut butter powder. Sometimes the kids will use regular powder or the peanut butter powder in our protein shakes. This is dry milk, smokehouse almonds, kind granola, raisins, cocoa powder, sunflower seeds. This stores perfect for ice cream cones, regular cooking oats, and then I used this with the scoop for our instant pancake mix that we get from Costco. That is what I've done, and we are loving it. It still looks crowded, but you want to know what, guys? 3 weeks of it not going droopy is big for my family, and I have been using ingredients in meals that I haven't used in a while because I couldn't see them. Is it perfect? Probably not, but I can see everything and use everything up. Before, just having everything in bins and I couldn't see it, I wasn't aware of what I already had. Things were kind of spoiling, and I don't like wasting food, and I can see the ingredients and remember the things that I make with it, and we're using it. I've been using like the quinoa. I was hiding, I forgot I had it, and then out of sight, out of mind, you forget that, you know, you cook with it. If something is not working for you, research, try something, see if you like it. I'm liking it. It motivates me to want to cook. Thanks for joining me, you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.